We have a traffic stop where a driver genuinely believes an officer needs her permission to run her license plate. Pulled over for a criminally expired registration, she refuses to simply hand over her ID, demanding instead to interrogate the officer about what she did wrong before he checked her tags. Instead of complying with a basic lawful order, she stalls, argues, and tries to conditionally negotiate the terms of her detention right up until she is ordered out of the car. If you are ready to watch a driver talk her way straight into a pair of handcuffs because she refused to hand over a piece of plastic, do me a favor and smash that like button. Let's break down the legal and psychological mechanics of this entirely avoidable arrest.
I'm Officer Cousins, Sarasota Police Department.
Hello, how are you?
What's going on today?
I don't know. I'm trying to figure it out myself.
What are you trying to figure out?
Why you're stopping me? What have I done?
So your registration comes back to be criminally expired.
Okay.
Do you have your driver's license and registration on you?
I do, but I would like to know what it is that you stopped me for before you even ran my tags. What have I done?
So I did a routine run on your tag after you followed me nose to nose in my rear,
Okay.
and your tag is criminally expired. So based off your unusual behavior, I did a routine check of your tag, which came back again criminally expired. So do you have your driver's license and registration?
I do, but my problem is that I'd like to know what it is that I did wrong because
You're driving a vehicle with a criminally expired tag.
But you would have to know that, like you would have to run that. So then therefore...
Okay, let me see your driver's license and registration. I'm not going to ask again.
Okay, what I would like to know is what I did wrong
Again,
before
you are driving
even...
a vehicle with a criminally expired registration. Let me see your driver's license and registration.
Okay, but I would like to know what I did
247.
beforehand, before you were even to run those tags. What
okay,
is it
again,
that
ma'am, driver's license and registration.
Right, but I would like to know...
Driver's license and registration, ma'am.
So if I were to tell you no, then what? Because I would like to know...
Then you're going to be arrested for not identifying yourself during a lawful stop.
But what is it that you would have
Driver's
to...
license and registration.
What is it that you would have to stop me for the lawful stop?
Because you're driving a vehicle with a criminally expired
No.
registration.
Before you even ran my tags.
I don't have to have a reason to run your tag.
Okay. You sure about that?
100% sure, ma'am.
Okay.
It's a routine run.
Okay. Even though I didn't do anything wrong, right?
Ma'am, you're driving a vehicle with a criminally expired registration.
No. I'd like to know before you ran my tags.
Driver's license and registration,
I'd like to know before you ran...
Driver's license and registration, ma'am.
All right. So I'd like to know before you ran my tags, right?
Okay, I'm going to ask one more time. I'm going to ask one more time.
No, I'm getting my stuff together.
Grab it, please.
Right, and I'm getting my stuff together. But I'd like to know...
Okay, I will be happy to explain anything else that you would like as soon as I get your driver's license and registration.
Okay. But you have no reason why to stop me beforehand, right?
Again, I will be happy to explain
I'd like you to...
No.
I asked you a question. Right. I'm getting my stuff together. I'd like...
multiple opportunities to get your driver's license and registration. I am asking you one last time.
And I'm getting that together right now.
Out of this vehicle. So
I am getting my stuff together right now, but I'd like to know beforehand... Before you even ran my tags, there was nothing that I did wrong, right?
Driver's license, please.
No, you're going to answer that question. All right. So therefore, you don't want to answer that question?
Okay, let's grab our driver's license.
Right,
please.
you don't want to answer that question. So beforehand, there was nothing that I did wrong. All right.
Okay, are you
No. I'm sorry. No, I'm not failing to identify myself. I am identifying myself right now. Now, what I would like to know is...
You're not identifying yourself. Driver's license.
Right, and I am. So
driver's
therefore,
license, or we're going to step out of this vehicle. So
right, and we can step out of this vehicle. Now, what I would like to know is,
let's step out of the vehicle.
All right.
Let's step out of the vehicle.
Can I please have some space to step out of the vehicle?
Okay.
All right.
Be my guest, ma'am.
Thank you. May I please have some space? May I please
step out of the vehicle, or I'm going to take you out of the vehicle.
Ma'am, I am not. Okay.
We're going to step out of the vehicle.
Okay, please. Can I,
okay,
because I have this right here in my, okay, thank you. All right. May I please get my,
Put your hands on your back.
Okay.
Thank you. You're going
May
to
I-
be detained for not providing your identification.
I want to provide.
I provided you ample opportunity to do so.
I want to provide, and I have video right here. I
It's
want
okay.
to
I'm
provide
recording
my
as well.
identification. Okay, that's fine. May I please provide identification to you? No? Okay. I cannot provide it,
247 wait,
even though I was trying to get my
We're going to
identification.
stand over here.
Okay,
Face the vehicle.
sure.
Okay.
I want to provide my identification to you.
Okay, I
but
asked
okay.
you multiple times.
Yeah, and I was trying to get that for you.
You were not.
I was digging
Do I have-
in
okay.
my wallet to identify myself, but okay, sure.
Okay.
Whatever you need to do in order to, I guess, go about your day.
Hey, she has a criminally expired registration. She was refusing
I
to give
literally tried to get
She was
identification,
refusing to get
and she
her
did not
ID.
allow me to.
So-
She did not allow me to.
Okay. Are you going to provide me your name?
No,
Date of birth?
because I tried to provide. No, I
you
tried
did
to.
not. I gave
No.
you ample
I
opportunity.
tried to
do
provide
so.
her my identification. No. I have my identification. I will provide you it. No, she's not trying to do that.
If she's not willing to give it to you, she can go to jail.
That's
No,
what I'm saying.
I
So can
tried
you
to
just hang
provide
tight?
it for her.
No, you did not. Can you-
My friend, I tried to provide identification for you. It's my friend.
So
I have
are we-
identification.
We're not IDing ourselves. You're refusing to give
I
any
am not.
identification.
I am not. But if that's what you
Okay.
want to take, I have my friend right there, and I have them on the phone. And if that's what the take you want to take, I have my phone right there too.
Okay.
If that's the take you want to take, then by all means take it.
That's fine.
Yep. I try to provide identification. You want to take that take too? Listen, I tried.
driving.
No,
Now. Keep
don't.
driving.
Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Please don't. Mira, no le diga, mira, no ponga atención a lo que te están diciendo. No, no le ponga atención.
Drive your vehicle.
No le ponga atención porque no estoy diciendo lo que están diciendo.
Okay. Do you have anyone that can pick up this car for you? Otherwise, it's going
Right
to be
there.
documents.
Right there.
That is a single driver.
Okay, he can get other people.
Sounds like a great idea.
Okay. So we're going to get the vehicle too. Do you have anything on you that can stick me, poke me, prod me, or anything?
Pablo!
Hey, do you have anything that can stick me, poke me, prod me on you?
When I try to provide identification, you're going to take me to jail?
Okay. Do you have anything on you that's going to
No,
stick me, poke
but
me,
what
prod
I
me?
want to know
Okay.
is you're going to try to take me, you're taking me to jail when I try to provide identification?
You did not.
I did. I have it on video.
Okay.
And you know I did. I was digging in my wallet. Pablo, me van a llevar a la... Pablo, que no me lleven el carro, por favor.
10 seconds.
May I please provide identification when I try to give you identification?
We tried. Oh.
Pablo, coge mi teléfono. Pablo, coge mi teléfono porque está todo ahí. Le traté de dar mi ID y me están llevando a la cárcel. Pablo, le traté de dar todo y me están llevando a la policía. O sea, no sé lo que está pasando.
Alright, we're going to kick our shoe off one at a time. Hey,
Sir,
ma'am.
may I please
We're
have
going to stand this
Mayor...
way. Stand
No.
this way. Stand this way. Take this shoe off and kick your foot back. Take this shoe off and let's kick our foot back. please.
Ma'am, I
Take
tried
your
to
shoe
give
off.
you identification.
Okay, we're gonna
Why
take
are
this
you
shoe
doing
off.
this?
I'm going to ask you again. Take
Okay,
your shoe
I'm gonna
off.
ask you again too. Why are you doing this?
I need
Is
you
it
to
for
take your-
numbers?
I need
Because it's the end of the year the year. Is that why?
I don't have numbers. Can you take your shoe off, please?
No, you're one of
Okay,
those.
We're going to leave
No.
the car. Kick your foot back.
I'm not doing shit because I haven't done shit. Oh my goodness. Pablo, pero no he hecho nada. Can he take my car? Like, I haven't done anything. I tried to
Okay.
give her identification.
Take the shoe off.
She's on a power trip. How are none of you listening to this? When I try to give her my identification, it's on video. I have a video of it.
Let's slip our shoes on like sandals. Slip
Pero
your
no he
shoes
hecho
on like
nada.
sandals. Either put your shoes on or we're going barefoot.
Ma'am, I tried to give you
Put
my
your other shoe on.
identification. Like, why are you doing this? I don't understand. Like, I have given you my identification.
Alright, we're gonna go in the back of my car.
You really want to do this when I try to give you my identification? You must
I
be
gave
new.
you ample opportunity.
No, you must be new. You must be new. You must be new. You look new.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Lean
look
back so I can
new.
get your seatbelt on.
For what?
Lean back so I can get your seatbelt on.
For what? Exactly. For what? Identification? Be real. Be fun. Can he take my car? Can I at least? Do I really have to go to jail when I was
Yes.
trying to give you
Okay.
identification?
Would you like your phone or anything to go with you to the jail?
Please, but I don't want to go to jail. Like, I haven't done anything.
Okay, what do you want to go with you to the jail?
So I'm going to jail.
I'm not gonna ask one more time. Either tell me or we're gonna go without any belongings.
What have I done?
So, you don't want anything to go with you to jail?
I want my phone. Can I have my wallet go to him? But, like,
Nope, it's gonna get towed with the vehicle. We're not giving anything to him. So again, would you like your wallet to go with you to the jail as well, or just your phone?
my wallet can go too, but what did I do wrong when I was trying to give... So what about my car? Where can I get my car from?
It's gonna get towed to Upman's Towing. It's on 301 and 12th Street. Can you give me a link?
Sir? Sir?
I'm pretty sure that's a.
May I please speak to him before I go to jail?
Yeah.
Sir? May I please speak to him before I go to jail? I haven't done anything wrong.
I already answered that.
But I haven't... Why are you searching through my stuff?
It's going with you to the jail, and anything that goes in my vehicle has to get searched.
So I asked you if he... No. So then therefore, can he have it? Because I...
ma'am.
What? Can he have it? I really do not appreciate you going through my stuff.
Meetings.
Okay, well, I'm asking you if he can have it. I don't want you going through my stuff.
Okay, so again, I gave you the option. We went back
Okay,
and
but
forth.
you
I'm
did not
going
give
back
me the
and forth
option
again.
of you going through my stuff. I did not know that. So then therefore, can he have it? Can he have my stuff? I do not want you going through my stuff. I did not give you right to go through my stuff. So therefore, can he have my stuff so you do not go through my stuff? Can I have a sergeant out here, please?
If you would like a sergeant,
Yes. May I have a
That's
sergeant
fine.
out here, please?
sure.
Mayor, whoever you need to get out here, but anyone, no, like you're still going through my stuff when I've asked you to please give it to him.
You're getting
No.
arrested.
I need you to either call a mayor or sergeant. You're going through my stuff at this point. I do not want you to go through my stuff. I did not ask for that.
Okay, so
No,
if you're
no,
getting
no.
arrested, your stuff is gonna get checked one way or another.
That's okay, but I did not ask you to go through my stuff. You did not ask to go through my stuff either. So therefore, may mayor or sergeant come here because you are going through my
can
stuff
speak-
now.
you can speak
I
to
am
a
not
sergeant,
okay
that's
with that. I
fine.
did not consent for you to go through my stuff.
She wants the mayor.
I did not consent for you to go through my stuff. I did not consent for you to go through my stuff.
Okay, that's completely
You are
fine,
going
ma'am.
through my stuff and now you are taking pictures when I have asked you to not go through my stuff.
Of your ID that you failed to provide.
No, that is not my ID at all.
Well, it's a medical marijuana.
You
card that
are
has your
not,
picture
that
on
is
it
not
and
my
your name,
ID though. That is not
That's
my
good.
ID at
That's
all.
fine, ma'am.
So therefore, you have taken things from me and you have taken things like, no.
It's called search incident.
No, I did not consent to that.
You're under arrest.
But I'm under arrest for obstruction. Like, I did not do
Still under-
anything.
you're
And
still under
they're,
arrest.
yeah, but they are literally arresting me for something that I did not do. I'm not going to obstruct to anything. I did not obstruct to any kind of information. I tried to give her my
Alright, just hang
information.
tight.
To really grasp why this interaction fell apart so spectacularly, we have to look past the endless loop of arguing and examine the fundamental misunderstanding of privacy, police authority, and the illusion of conditional compliance. We are watching a masterclass in how an entitled mindset transforms a minor traffic citation into a custodial arrest and a DUI charge. Let's start with the legal catalyst of the entire stop, the running of the license plate. the driver is absolutely fixated on knowing what she did wrong before the officer ran her tags, operating under the delusion that law enforcement needs reasonable articulable suspicion, RAS, or probable cause just to type her plate number into a computer. This is a massive legal fallacy. Under the Fourth Amendment, you have absolutely zero reasonable expectation of privacy regarding a license plate that is required by law to be openly displayed on the exterior of your vehicle in public view. Officers can run tags manually or use automated license plate readers, ALPRs, all day long, completely at random, without needing a shred of prior justification. When that computer returns a criminally expired status, the officer instantly gains the lawful authority to initiate a traffic stop. Her demand for a preamble justification is legally meaningless. This brings us to the concept of conditional compliance, which is the exact trap that lands her in handcuffs. She acknowledges she has her ID, but refuses to hand it over until the officer successfully answers her trivia questions to her personal satisfaction. The law does not recognize conditional compliance. In a lawful traffic stop, producing your driver's license and registration is a mandatory statutory requirement, not a negotiation. By purposefully delaying the handover, stalling, and verbally holding her documents hostage, she commits the crime of obstruction. You don't have to physically fight an officer to obstruct them. Intentionally hindering their lawful investigation by refusing to identify yourself crosses the threshold into criminal territory. Psychologically, the moment the officer orders her out of the car and the reality of an arrest sets in, we witness a fascinating defense mechanism: retroactive reframing. As the handcuffs come out, her entire narrative violently shifts. She suddenly claims she was trying to provide her identification the whole time, weaponizing the fact that her wallet was in her hand. This is a classic ego preservation tactic. Her brain cannot process the humiliation of being arrested for her own stubbornness, so she attempts to rewrite history on the spot, casting herself as the compliant victim of a tyrannical cop. She ignores the preceding minutes where she deliberately withheld the ID, hoping that saying, "I'm trying to give it to you," loudly enough will somehow act as a verbal undo button. The legal misunderstandings continue to pile up when the officer begins to search her belongings. She repeatedly chants, "I do not consent," genuinely believing that her verbal disapproval somehow legally paralyzes the officer. She is completely ignorant of the search incident to lawful arrest doctrine. When you are placed under custodial arrest, law enforcement has the absolute legal right and duty to search your person and any property going with you to the jail. This is done to prevent the introduction of contraband or weapons into a secure facility and to inventory your items. Her consent is completely irrelevant. The fact that this search uncovered a medical marijuana card, which likely provided the foundational probable cause for the subsequent DUI charge, proves exactly why officers do not ask for permission to look through an arrestee's wallet. Sociologically, this video is a perfect example of the customer service mindset, fatally bleeding into the realm of law enforcement. The driver treats the side of the road like a retail return counter. When she doesn't like the officer's legally sound answers, she demands to speak to a sergeant and eventually, hilariously, the mayor. She believes that the justice system operates on a hierarchy of customer complaints, and that if she just escalates the issue to a high enough manager, the rules will be waived for her. What she failed to realize is that the street is an environment of objective enforcement, not subjective customer satisfaction. The officer is not a cashier, and the municipal code is not a store policy. By prioritizing her ego and her need to control the conversation over the simple, mechanical act of handing over her license, she traded a routine traffic delay for a trip downtown, a towed vehicle, and a criminal record.